entire city celebrates today Ram Navami. This is right now situation in Tulsi Bagh Ram Mandir. As you can see, lots of devotees on the occasion of Ram Navami. As you can see, the celebrations are in full swing. Where since early morning, thousands of devotees have been arriving to take part in today's celebration. The entire area is filled with devotion, energy, and festive spirit. As we move inside the Tulsi Bagh area, as we have seen, the entire stretch has turned into a vibrant festival place. On both the side, you can see the on the both the side you can see the people, family members, and everyone are offering flowers, garlands, coconuts, and various puja items for the Lord Ram. For many of them, Ram Navami is one of the busiest and most important days of the year. This is a continuous flows of devotees entering the temple premises, with families coming together from different parts of Pune to be here on this special day. As we have seen, even the security arrangements have been deployed in a proper way, also put with the deployed at multiple points to manage the crowd. Separate entry and exit lines have been created to ensure smooth guidelines and darshan for everyone and the devotees. Now, as if we move closer to the temple, as we can see, the entire temple interior preparations and decorations become even more impressive. The historic wooden pillars of the temple are beautifully decorated with fresh marigold and rose flowers, transforming the entire space for this special occasion. But the most captivating sight here is the Murti of Lord Ram. As we have seen, the idol has been seen in grand royal attire with interact clothing ornaments and layers of fresh flower garlands. The detailing is also so beautiful that it immediately draws attention, while the calm and divine expression of the Murti adds to the spiritual atmosphere. A beautifully decorated has also been seen nearby, which plays an important role in today's Ram Navami celebration, symbolizing the birth of Lord Ram. With lights, flowers, and traditional decorations all around, the temple feels both festive as well as deep divine. Even we can see the people who are sitting down are offering the chants of Jai Shri Ram continuously, encroaching across the temples. As we have seen along the sound wells of ringing in the background, the fragrance of fresh flowers, the sound of prayers, and the presence of thousands of devotees together, creating a powerful and emotional atmosphere at Tulsi Bagh. For many people, visiting this temple on Ram Navami is not just a ritual, it is a tradition they have followed for many years and strong connection.
सकाळी यावर्षी आता या 265 वर्ष आता पूर्ण झालेली आहे. ती 265 वर्षाची रामनवमी आम्ही साजरी करत आहोत आणि पारंपरिक पद्धतीने सगळी त्याच्यामध्ये कुठले मॉडिफिकेशन न करता जे पारंपरिक पद्धतीने त्याच पद्धतीने आम्ही साजरा करतो. सकाळी 6 वाजल्यापासून पवमानाचा अभिषेक असतो. पवमानाचा अभिषेक झाल्यानंतर रामाला स्नान असतं. त्याच्यानंतर जे पारंपरिक पद्धतीचे पोशाख आहेत ते पोशाख आणि दागिने हे घातले जातात. त्याच्यानंतर मग कीर्तन असतं. कीर्तनाच्या पूर्व रंगामध्ये जे थोडंसं भजन वगैरे असतं आणि उत्तर रंगामध्ये मग रामजन्म होतो. आणि संध्याकाळी जी असते ती नगर प्रदक्षिणे असती, तीही पूर्ण आम्ही पारंपरिक पद्धतीने जी अजून खांद्यावरनं पालखी नेणे आणि रामनामाचा गजरात करणे आणि जी आहे ती नगर परिक्रमा करून पूर्वीची होती तेवढ्याच पद्धतीने करतो.
सकाळपासून साधारण किती भाविक आपल्याकडे दर्शन घेऊन गेले असतील काही
सकाळपासून भरपूर भाविक येऊन जातात. तसं म्हणजे काउंट सांगू शकत नाही. पण सकाळी 6 वाजल्यापासून जी रांग मोठी लागलेली असती ती रात्री 11-12 वाजेपर्यंत चालू असते.
As we have seen, the people are sitting down and chanting Om Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. As we have seen, so clearly the Tulsi Bagh Ram Mandir is witnessing one of the most divine pressures on the occasions of Ram Navami. I'm Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.